Y'all ready? Let's get started. Well, first choose one of your favorite ways to start racing. Tap right to turn right. Then try left to finish left turn. Good! Drift is the most important way in racing. Well, let's take a look at what a perfect drift looks like. It's very cool, right? But don't rush. Let's take a look at the tutorial. The curve in front is perfect for drifting. Don't you want to give it a try? Tap and hold the button direction. Tap brake to drift when making a turn. Tap nitro to accelerate. Watch out the time point to release the brake during drifting, because it somehow affects the speed. Tap nitro twice for super acceleration. Great! Well, other speed racers will race against you for the trophy. Don't get yourself lagged behind, okay?